and this mina. Ziko tu fresh.
Omena, sikiji samaki hata ikipikwa hata ikae mwaka mzima haiwezi kufanya kitu.
Wow.
Hello viewers. Hello. My presentation is not visible. Let me see. What do you have today?
Cook before consumption. Ingredients: deep fry and mixture.
Hello, good people. I hope you are doing well wherever you are. I don't know whether my connection is okay.